discuss about the trade assurance as well, that we are repeating again and again trade assurance, so we should know that what is trade assurance. So let's see here directly on the Alibaba help page. Here you can see, you can just type tradeassurance.alibaba.com and this interface will come in front of you. So let's read out: protect your alibaba.com orders. Trade assurance protect online orders when payment is made through Alibaba. You can see their video here. And okay, trade assurance online order is where you and your supplier define product quality and specify ship date. Please review it carefully so we can better protect you. Alright, so here, purchase with convenient security and extended support. Convenient option: multiple payment, like you can do payment through Alibaba and you can send to Alibaba escrow the payment from Visa, MasterCard and wire transfer, and through all these like PayPal and GPay and Pay. So multiple payment methods are supported, including credit card, PayPal, wire transfer, Apple Pay and more, to provide you flexibility in choosing how to pay through trade assurance. And payment security: employing latest technology, we secure your payments to make sure it gets to the supplier safely, and we develop transaction center to help you track and reconcile the funds flow. Extended support: 30 days after delivery. All right, so your payment will be with Alibaba and you can claim for your payment. If you are not satisfied with the product quality, you may request a refund. We will help you investigate and resolve your claim plus reimburse you when appropriate, right? Your online order and communication records are the basis of refund resolution. So guys, here is really a good point and we should not leave it, that we should be keeping our chat regarding terms and conditions inside the Alibaba Messenger, right? So that we should be having a proof that we can show to Alibaba in case there is any dispute between supplier and us. So that will be a proof for us that we have negotiated all these terms with the supplier, and now the supplier is not doing that job according to what he claimed and assured. So place an online order with trade assurance supplier. So Alibaba is also like persuading us to do trade to trade assurance, and this is the trade assurance symbol. You can see here Alibaba is already displaying it here. You can see in the video. And pay through Alibaba secure payment platform. Make sure you pay online via Alibaba.com secure payment platform. Keep in mind the basis of protection is the Alibaba.com online order. It is only enforced when you pay online via Alibaba.com. If there's any issue with your order, request a refund within 30 days of product delivery, right? And so here Alibaba is like persuading us to, upon product delivery, please do inspect product quality right away to ensure satisfaction, right? So this is really a good method and a feature in Alibaba. Is trade assurance order protection free? So yeah, it's free. You can read out this and pause the video. And basically trade assurance has no any charges, but there are some fees of transaction, like 2%, I think so. So we should be keeping that in mind, else that there are no additional fees. And you can just click here and go on their web, the link, it's hyperlinked. So you can read out there as well. And can I pay via PayPal and still get a trade assurance protection? Yes, PayPal is now available as a method of payment on Alibaba for orders with trade assurance. You will receive protection only after you have completed an online payment using PayPal on Alibaba. And how do I request a refund if supplier fails to ship on time or the product quality varies from what has been agreed upon? You may apply for refund on Alibaba.com within 30 days of delivery. You will investigate and you can read out. So basically, trade assurance is a secure payment method between you and the supplier, and it's like an escrow of Alibaba where your payment remains after your delivery as well. So once you are satisfied with your delivery, you can claim your payments if there is any something wrong. So you can claim for your refund with Alibaba support. And as I have told the point, you should keep in mind that you should keep your terms and conditions related conversation on Alibaba Messenger. So you should be having proof, and I will be discussing that you should make a commercial invoice, and saying you should make a contract with the supplier and share that contract, so that you should have a complete, secure and safe side.